Well, hello! I'm Price Anderson, sales representative with Bose & Cox Limited Brokerage in beautiful downtown Peterborough. Welcome to Let's Talk Real Estate for a Minute, Open House Edition. Today, we've got some fabulous open houses lined up for this weekend, hosted by your Bose & Cox team. Alright, starting off the list this weekend is 2197 Kawartha Heights Boulevard at $479,900. This West End 4-level side split is on a large lot. Enjoy this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Peterborough's West End. Updates throughout the home include kitchen and bathrooms. It's open Saturday and Sunday from 1 till 3. 105 Milroy Drive in Peterborough is offered at $525,000, and this is a 3+2 bedroom home, and it has everything you could want in a home. It's bright open concept, living dining room, kitchen with gas fireplace, hardwood floors, and a walkout to a large deck and fenced yard. There's 3 bedrooms with a master bedroom offering a walk-in closet and ensuite on the main floor, plus 2 more bedrooms and a den downstairs. Come out Saturday from 1 to 3 and Sunday from 1 to 3. Come out both days if you'd like to see it. And we have a video link in the description below, so take a sneak preview at this house, but I warn you, the pictures just don't do it justice. 686 Hopkins Avenue, Peterborough is at $500,000. It's a beautiful 1,750 square foot ranch bungalow with a double car garage, and it's located in the Old West End. This home features large principal rooms, including an oversized master bedroom with a 4-piece ensuite. 3 bedrooms in total. It's open both Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 2:30. 508 Bonnecourt Street in Peterborough is offered at $399,900, and this is a delightful Regency 1870s cottage, and it is so much larger than it looks from the street. It's 1,650 square feet approximately, and it has many updates that have been made throughout the years. All are sympathetic to the historical nature of the building. This is open Saturday from 1 to 2:30. Next up is 31 Conger Street in Peterborough at $484,900. It's a renovated century home in the old Teachers College area. This home keeps its old world charm while boasting flawless modern amenities. As you enter the home through the revitalized original exterior door, you're greeted by a 10-foot ceiling and the beautifully restored staircase. Open Saturday from 12:30 to 2. Moving out of town a little bit, we have 8 Tanner Street in Campbellford at $369,900. This is a brick bungalow on the desirable Tanner Drive. This home backs onto the Parks Canada Ravine and has a magnificent view of the Trent River and the Ferris Park. It's a spacious eating kitchen with oak cupboards, pantry, and a walkout to a newer 4-season sunroom. Come on out on Saturday from noon till 2. 1588 4th Line Road, Dummer North is offered at $445,900. If you're wanting to live in a rural lifestyle but only a short commute to Lakefield and Peterborough and on beautiful Stony Lake, this home could be for you. It's a well-kept, very private home, and it has 3 bedrooms, all located on the main level. It has tons of storage and closets, and it has generous hallways. The master bedroom has an ensuite with jet tub and a standalone shower. Come on out and preview this property on Saturday from 12:30 till 2 p.m. I hope you'll come out and take a look at some of these properties. I'll leave links to the property descriptions and maps in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye now.